And they was telling me, yo, no, bro, this is the varsity green dunks. This is Michigan. This is varsity green. I don't know where you're getting Michigan State from, bro. This is Michigan. This is Michigan State. If y'all watch basketball, this is the team colors. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, man. Yo, it feels good to say that. It's been like a week since I dropped my last vid. But anyways, if you guys are new to the channel, go down and hit that subscribe button. We got a lot of dunks to review, man. Yeah, New Balances. A lot more videos coming along the way. So yeah, make sure y'all subscribe, man. Leave a like on the video and comment down below what else y'all want to see on the channel, man. But look, man, I've been busy. I've been really busy and not a lot of energy, and I gotta start, like, it's only gonna get worse because I gotta start selling a lot of shoes. Because y'all see all that behind me, I just bought like in the past week or change, and there's another row behind that, so I gotta sell a lot of shoes. And you know, your boy come home, like, I do want to get these videos out for y'all, but I just be tired. But that's just an excuse at the end of the day, and I need to stop making excuses. So yeah, man, videos coming, probably 2 dropping today. This is gonna be the first one y'all see, and I'm dropping the Michigan State Spartans after. Like I was saying, we have a review today on the dunks. As y'all can see by the title, it is the Michigan Dunks. Yeah, we have one right here, and then we have another right here. Unfortunately, I copped these yesterday, and I was trying to film the review last night, but my man's, he really wanted the kicks like last night, so I just sold him the 8.5. I did get the on feet before I sold it to him, so you guys will get the on feet in this video. But we're just gonna review a size 6. Everything else is pretty much the same from GS to men, besides like 2 things. So box is the same. It's in this Nike Dunk box, regular orange, or yeah, orange and white Nike box with the Nike logo going around. Yeah, there's that. The size tag right there. This is a size 6Y, and retail on it was $85. The men's pairs is $100. So yeah, there's that. Colorway is varsity mice / midnight navy. So yeah, man, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So just opening the shoe. You already know you got that white paper, that gray paper, whatever that paper underneath the box that all, you know, sneakers come with. Well, Nike sneakers. All sneakers come with. But yeah, flipping it open, and here we have the sneakers, man. And yeah, right here is the Michigan Dunks. Damn, I wish I had the men's pair. This is, everything is pretty much the same on the GS pair. It just looks smaller. Still pretty big though. Pause on that. But yeah, here you have the sneaker. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little B-roll on how it looks. Come back, break down the colorway breakdown, and give you out the full review. So let's cut to the B-roll before we do all that. Alright, so coming back from the B-roll, hopefully, you know, you guys got a detailed look at them. If you got a pair, y'all want to compare quality, or if you know, think your pair might be full, you could, you know, do all that. But let's just jump into the colorway breakdown, man. So this is pretty much yellow and navy. It's based off University of Michigan colors. If you guys watch basketball, I was trying to explain to this like reseller and this cashier in Foot Locker on release day. This is the Michigan, and this pair right here is Michigan State. And they was telling me, yo, no, bro, this is the varsity green dunks. This is Michigan. This is varsity green. I don't know where you're getting Michigan State from, bro. This is Michigan. This is Michigan State. If y'all watch basketball, this is the team colors. The Spartans, Wolverines. That's the color. That's the team. Wolverines, man. So yeah, basically navy and yellow. So midnight navy is the actual color code for this, or name, whatever you want to call it, and it's going around the toe box, also up the lace holes right here, the eyelets, and the swoosh is in the midnight navy, along with this panel right here around the heel and going up your ankle. And then they have this little small spot in the heel. This is actual heel, I lied, by the back. The liner on the inside is also in that midnight navy, with the outsole being midnight navy as well, and the laces is midnight navy with the Nike swoosh logo right there and midnight navy. Rest of the shoe is in orange, so the toe box, the mid panels, and the back panel, along with the Nike stitched in on the back. The tongue is in yellow as well, along with the Nike Air on the inside. Yeah, so pretty much, you can't forget the white midsole. So yeah, pretty simple colorway on Dunks. The material that they used on this sneaker was just the leather. This is like a plasticky leather. I try to explain that in all my Dunks. Like, if you're getting Nike Dunks, don't be expecting like tumble leather, crazy quality leather. It's gonna crease as soon as you put your foot in. As soon as you go like, yeah, your foot's gonna crease. I don't want to crease whoever's shoe this about to be, but yeah, man, it's gonna crease, man. The leather is very like, it's like plastic. It's like a plastic feel, man. If y'all ever feel it, like, you know it's leather, but it feels like plastic is right under it. But yeah, there's the leather on there's the leather on that. There is the material on that. They do have mesh on the tongue and mesh for the sock liner, and the outsole is in rubber. With that being covered, let's talk about sizing, man. As for sizing on Dunks, I do like to go down half a size. I do that on all my Dunk Lows. I have the Pandas, the ones that I kept. Went down half a size on those. Sold my Kentuckys, I don't know why. Had an 8.5 in those. So anyways, if you're a size 9, get an 8.5. If you're a 10, get a 9.5. So etc. You feel me? If you're a girl, you already know. I would suggest going down half a size. Some girls go true to size because that's what they like. But for me, I have to go down half a size because these are like, I don't know, it's spacious, man. It's spacious. Comfort on Dunks is not the most comfortable sneaker out there, of course, but it is pretty light for the summertime. It is pretty light in general. But we in New York, so I'm saying summertime. It's pretty light in general, so comfort is not really that bad. But there's really like no cushioning on the bottom. It's just flat rubber base, and yeah, there's that. That pretty much, you know, covers the whole basis of the sneaker. As for fashion wise, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick little on feet. I'm just gonna throw them on with some jeans. I usually rock Dunk Lows with shorts, but yeah, man, I just do them on with jeans. So yeah, let's cut to that. Alright, so coming back from the on feet, I just gave you guys a quick little look with some jeans. Typically, I don't throw on jeans with these, but I was just like, oh, let me throw on some jeans with them. So yeah, hope you guys like the little look. Not the biggest fan of this colorway, but there's some Resell on these, so you know, your boy scooped them. You feel me? Talking about Resell, yeah, let's just hop into Resell. As for Resell on these, a lot of people like buy Dunks nowadays, so the Dunks is like the new hot thing. And I feel like it's a bit overhyped, but anyways, right now grade school is going for like 150, 160, and men's pairs is going for around 200 on the Michigan Dunks. Do I think it will stay around that price or drop? I personally think that it's gonna hold that price, man. Michigan's probably gonna be around like 200 for men, and like low 200s, and grade school will be like high 100s. That's like the range that will be at. Unlike compared to the green ones, these people like more because it's you know, I'm gonna drop the video on that, so y'all make sure y'all go check that out when it drops. But yeah, man, Resell on these, I pretty much feel like the range is gonna be high 100s on the GS and low 200s on the men. Pretty much self-explanatory. Should you keep, should you hold? Like I said, Michigan, not a lot of people are a huge fan of this colorway as opposed to the green ones. But yeah, man, these I would probably just feel like, yo, this is the range that it's gonna be at. You feel me? But yeah, there's that. Now to wrap things up with my final opinion, I already said I'm not the biggest fan of this colorway, but having it in hand and putting it on feet, it is pretty clean. Like, the yellow does pop at you, and the navy is a great contrast to the yellow. But I'm not a Michigan fan, nor am I like going crazy over yellow and navy sneakers. So yeah, I'm gonna probably have to pass on these. like I already passed on them because I sold them. But yeah, it is what it is. That pretty much covers this video. Y'all make sure y'all comment down below how y'all feel about this colorway. Do y'all like it? Do y'all not? Did you end up scooping a pair? Y'all let me know, man. So yeah, it's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. And y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. We out.